Welcome back to another Baddie business meeting. In this meeting, I'm showing y'all how to make clear lip gloss. So we're gonna start off with the Versagel. Now this is a small batch of lip gloss. So I'm starting with 34 milliliters of No Problema Versagel. It's the one with no added oils stuff. So you want to have a scale so that you can, do the right measurements. You don't have to use as much as I did. If you want to do a smaller batch, you can. This is polyisobutene. I just did like a spoonful of it, like a heaping spoonful. This is what makes the lip gloss really shiny and glossy. All the products I'm using are linked in the description box below. This right here is vitamin E oil. I got this from TKB. I did a few drops. And then this is preservative. It helps to keep the lip gloss fresh and it makes it last longer. This is isododecane. They say that it mattifies your lip gloss, like it making it to matte, but I think it helped with the shine, depending on how much you put. So then I put my oils. Boom. I only put 6 milliliters of oil. Like I did 2 oils and I did like 4 milliliters of one and 4 milliliters of the other. But this is just to start you guys off. Like you can customize this little recipe to however you want it to be or whatever. So yeah, then I just mix it. This way you'll get the same consistency each time. So yeah, that's really it. That's how you make lip gloss base. If you guys enjoy this Baddie business meeting, please let me know in the comments so I can continue to make more meetings like this. If you would like to learn something, drop it in the comments. Like if there's a specific meeting that you would like for me to call, let me know. And if you want to catch more of the Baddie's vibe, you can on Instagram at TheRoyalBaddie, YouTube TheRoyalBaddie. And if you would like to see more of what goes on behind the scenes at RoyalBaddieCosmetics, go check out our Instagram page, RoyalBaddieCosmetics. And if you would like to see what products we have to offer, you can check out our website, RoyalBaddieCosmetics.com. And I'm just gonna show y'all what it's looking like. Yeah, you see that gloss popping, you see that luster, you see how silky it is. But that is all for this meeting, Royal family. Until next time, meeting adjourned. Mwah! Bye.